We're going to make honey butter beef and noodles. We're starting with 2 pounds of stew meat, throwing it on the bottom of our crock pot, and we're going to start with about a ½ cup's worth of honey. Go ahead and just pour that over your beef. That's a lot of honey, and it's going to be real good, y'all. Let's pour about half of this container. Once you got your honey on there, we're going to throw 2 tablespoons worth of soy sauce. Make sure and measure this out because you do not want too much soy sauce in your recipe. Trust me on that. You want just enough. And once you got your soy sauce in there, we're going to throw our seasonings. We're going to do salt, pepper, and garlic powder. This is going to be good, y'all. Ooh! Once you got all your seasonings on there, go ahead and grab your butter. So this is 4 tablespoons worth of butter cut into slices. Just go ahead and throw it over the top of your seasoned meat here. Literal butterfingers here, y'all. That's okay, it'll all cook together. And once you got all your butter on there, you're going to take 1 cup of beef broth and pour it on over. Once you got your broth in there, just give it a little stir around so the soy sauce and the honey is kind of moved around in there. Once you give it a light little stir, let's go ahead and put our lid on. We're going to put it on high for 3 to 4 hours, but you're going to want to lift the lid for the last 20-30 minutes. It'll thicken up the sauce. Alright, and while that is finishing up cooking, let's go ahead and butter up our noodles. So I already cooked these noodles so they're nice and hot. So just get them tossed with 2 tablespoons of butter, and it's going to be looking right, y'all. Trust me. Stay tuned. Alright, and after your honey butter beef is ready to go, we're going to toss in 12 ounces of buttered egg noodles. I buttered them up with 2 tablespoons of butter. Ooh, baby, nice and buttery. Yeah. Once you get those in there, get all that folded in together, that honey butter goodness. All right, once you got it nice and folded in, let's try this baby out. Look at that. Look at that beef. Look at that beef. Go ahead and just scoop some of that liquid too so you can pour it over the top. All right, let's give it a try, folks. That's right, baby. Y'all, I know it looks so ordinary and plain, but I'm telling you, this is one of the most flavorful recipes I've had. If y'all love flavor and that kind of sweet and savory beef noodle thing, try this at home. Trust me on this. And if you want this exact recipe, it's on my Substack, which is in the comment section or in the bio if you want to check that out.